teacher Amy. I'm a professional music teacher. I teach piano and guitar until advanced level. And also, I can teach ukulele and violin for beginners only. I love playing music instruments, especially piano and guitar. And also, I can sing at the same time. And also, I love traveling. That's why the name of my YouTube channel is Musician Travelism. Now, I'm going to teach you how to play Smile. Okay, this is also sung by Nat King Cole and his daughter Natalie Cole. Okay, this is a famous song also. Before, this is an old song. Okay, this is a very easy arrangement. We're just going to play the left hand with a single note. For example, left hand is the one that has box. C, 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 then D. Single note D, D, A, D, D, like that. So easy. Then here it's F, F, the left hand notes and keeps on just repeating. Okay, let's start. And the right hand part was this one. The notes. It has already has a letter, so it's easier to play already. Okay, ready? You can play this here in the middle C, but it was really here in the C2 part. Okay, ready? So every time it align, it means you have to play it together. Both hands. Okay, ready? 1, C and C. C, D, D, C, B, A, B, C, D, C, B, A, G, A, B, C, D, left hand, A, B, C, D, E, F, A, left hand, C sharp, A, D, E, F with a D, left hand, F, G, A, D, left hand again, G, F, E, D. Okay, same F. F, G, flat G, F, E, D. Left hand C. E, F, E, F, E, D, C. D, left hand, D, A, G, left hand, E, then C again, C, D, E, D, C, B, A, B, C, D, C, B, A, G, left hand C, A, B, C, left hand D, A, B, C, D, D, together D, D, E, left hand. C sharp, D, E, left hand D. F, G, A, left hand D again. G, F, E, D, same F. F, G, E flat, G, F, E, D, left hand C. E, F, E, left hand C. F, E, D, C, D, A, E, C. Another C. Very easy arrangement of smile. Thank you for watching. If you like my video music tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe, and also comment below. And also hit the notification button so you will be notified whenever I upload a music tutorial video. Your like, subscription, and comment will make a huge encouragement for me to pursue my music tutorial channel here in YouTube. And also I will make a 30 music tutorial videos for 30 days starting today. And the next upload after 30 music tutorial would be only twice or once a week. Thank you very much for watching.